This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the sequence itself vertical. This is the only consistent way to get true portrait output. Create a new sequence and go to the Settings tab. Change frame size to 1080 x 1920 so width and height reflect portrait. Make sure pixel aspect ratio is square pixels and match the frame rate to your footage so motion looks correct. Once done, save this sequence preset if you will reuse it. That saves time and prevents accidental horizontal exports later. Now import your clips into the portrait timeline and visually adjust them. You will use the Effect Controls panel. Scale and position are your primary tools to crop and center the subject within the tall frame. If a subject moves, add position keyframes or use the transform effect for smooth motion. This keeps important content visible. Make sure to check for black bars at top/bottom. If present, increase scale carefully to avoid clipping key details or lowering resolution unnecessarily. To finish, export directly from that portrait sequence, File, Export Media, and confirm the export dimensions are 1080 x 1920. Choose H. 264, set a bitrate appropriate for delivery, typically 8 to 16 Mbps for social uploads, and enable render at maximum depth for cleaner results. If your final file plays rotated or shows bars, it means the sequence dimensions or export settings were swapped. Reopen sequence settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.